Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a video, an install video of this Scosche dash cam into my new Taos. If you saw in the previous videos, I did sell my charger and my gather. So now I just have this Taos guy. But anyways, I went with Scosche, which is a Nexar camera. I ended up going with the, I don't know what the heck, Nexus 1 or something like that. Name. You're not gonna give us a name, are you? I'm sure it's on here somewhere. But give me a second. There it is, Nexus 1. So I'm gonna flip through that real quick. This is what comes in it. I opted for the suction cup rather than adhesive. I don't really know why, just preference. I always had adhesive before in my Guardian camera, so figured, well, let's try a suction cup and see how that goes. So we got that. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's a phone holder, I guess. Take that back. At least that's what my guess is. I got the 64 gigabyte memory card. It's in there somewhere. And I don't know what the heck this is. I think those are pry tools. Pretty nice of them. Got the adapter there for the power, dual USB, so you're not taking it up for just the dash cam. And then of course we got the dash cam itself. And then we got these doohickeys. Not sure what these are, but yeah, let me find out and be right back. So it's very nice and easy of them. They give you easy step-by-step directions. Basically, first you plug that in, you power it, and make sure you're connected, make sure it works. Second, you hook it up, or you install this, I guess I should say. You place it where you want using the viewfinder on your phone, in the camera, kind of place it where you want, figure out where you want, remove this, and then you're going to press this down to apply the suction force, and then you're good. And then third, well, I guess included in this, you would route the wires and all that good stuff underneath the headliner, which is what they provide pry tools for in case you need them. And then third, you just, I don't even know what the third one is. It just kind of repeats steps all over again. Just tells you about the camera and everything, all the buttons. That's basically it. So it's pretty easy, but let's go ahead and we'll get started. Alright, so I am in the car. Went ahead and, like I said, just for the setup, hooked it up. You can see it is on, made some sounds. We are now attempting to connect to it. And connects using Wi-Fi, so not really sure what's happening here, but it's trying. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and see what happens. So after struggling, pro tip, yeah, make sure that you connect to the dash cam. It should do it by itself if you don't already have Wi-Fi connection, but because this car has wireless Android Auto, it uses Wi-Fi to connect to that. So I was trying to use that to connect to this, but there is actually no Wi-Fi. No internet, I should say. So it couldn't connect. So I had to manually go in there and connect to it as this was searching for it. Just a pro tip. Struggled for like 5 minutes trying to figure it out and finally got it, but see, it's finally updating now. As soon as it connects, it gives you the option to update, which you might as well should. So now we gotta wait for that. Apologize for the long delay, but I had some issues getting my phone hooked up. Either there was an Android issue where it just wasn't reading my phone, but I don't know, coincidence. Phone had an update last night, updated, and then Nexar support told me to remove the apostrophe from the name of my phone. Apparently that makes the software bug out too. So I did both of those, and this morning connected right away. So you can see temporarily mounted right there. It works. So I just gotta hide the wire. I'm gonna tuck it in up there. I'm gonna go through that guy, tuck it in through this guy. It's like a charger. It should be pretty easy to tuck in there. Shouldn't need the pry tools. And this guy, you just kind of peel that back and tuck it in. We're gonna go all the way down, and then somewhere about here, go across. Oops. About here, we're gonna go across, tuck it in there, and go across. Try and go underneath, and then I don't know if it's gonna be able to fit in there, but we're gonna try and tuck it in and go here. And then if it's like my charger, I should be able to tuck in any excess wires somewhere around here. So we'll find out. Alright, got that wrapped up. I left myself a little bit of play because I'm probably going to move it. I don't really like what it looks like from the driver's side. You can see it kind of sticks out there. I'm going to try and tuck it up further, but I'm also getting my windows tinted next week, hopefully, so that's going to have to move anyway, so I'm not concerned about position right now. But like I said, tucked in there. You didn't need the pry tool to get it up there. Just kind of ease a little bit. The hard part to get was here. See, there's a couple little balls at the top. It's just to help it stay in one place so it's not falling out of the headliner, which is nice. You gotta tuck that guy in, but yeah, I tucked it in there. You can kind of see it there. I did end up using this guy for this piece, especially. It just kind of, boom, helps hide the wire a little better. I gotta do it again here. Like I said, I got a couple places that bugs me a little bit, but yeah, this material is definitely a lot harder to play with than in my charger, so I'm gonna have to go back through it and kind of tuck it in so it doesn't look all swirly like that. Look at that there. But this is good enough for now. Like I said, I don't know, I might end up moving it, but got that all tucked in through there. And like I said, I went all the way down there, tucked it in there. You do have some space back there underneath the glove box. You can see where I kind of went in. I tucked it in there, hanging out there. So I got, oh God, I'm in my work clothes, so I don't really have a whole lot of mobility. But there we go. It's all tucked in under there. Did my best to tuck it in through here. It's falling out. Got to retuck it. Again, this guy was a big help here. I went from the top. Once I got to this point, I stopped. And I went from here, tucked it up through here, and I kind of just squished it in there like that. Opened it up a little bit, pushed. You got that in there. You see it's kind of sticking out in some places. Try and get that in there a little bit more. But overall, looks much better than the wire hanging down the middle. Like I said, I'll end up moving that, but yeah. I'll add some driving videos at the end of this, but that's basically it. The software, as long as you can get it to hook up right away, it's really easy to hook up. And just the hardest part is trying to figure out where you want to hide it and how you want to hide it. And yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So I got it to work this morning, so I already reviewed some footage this morning, and the quality looks okay. I mean, you know, a place I found it was like $100-something bucks, so can't complain too much for a $100 dash cam. It's not terrible. Just parking, I think. I can't remember. But yeah. So I'll show you guys. I don't know what the heck else is in here. There's twist ties, and then there's these things which are bendable. So that was weird. Not sure how that's supposed to help me. Not sure what application you would even use these in, but yeah. Then there's zip ties or that. There's an Allen key. I don't really know what the Allen key is for. Oh, I do. So you can tighten that up so that this doesn't move around, but like I said, I'm not worried about it. It's gonna get moved anyways, so yeah, we're done for now. We're basically done. So I'll just end up relocating it. At some point I'll show you guys what that looks like, maybe. No, probably not, honestly. It's probably the end of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps somebody out there and gets the dash cams. They're actually really easy to use if you're just plugging it in that. If you're hardwiring it, I don't think that's too much harder, but it's definitely an extra step, but not necessary. But anyways, yeah, hope you guys helped. Hope that helps some of you guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Who knows what it'll be, but we'll see you then. I'm going to show you guys here a quick clip of night driving. Trying to give a quick run through the app real quick. How many times am I going to say that? Anyways, it's clips. There's, you know, those clips that you save, that you create yourself, basically. That's marked as a parking incident. And then full drive is obviously a full drive. I'm not really sure what camera only drive means, but that's what that is. And then more is all your account settings and all that good stuff. Drive will connect it to the camera if it's on, and then you can see a live view of the camera and all that good stuff. So we're not going to do that. So anyways, quick clip of night driving. We're going to go that guy. So here you can see click. You can see full route. Let's find a way to remove that address there. But anyways, show you the full drive here. You click on it. It gives you the speed that you were doing and all that. You turn your phone sideways, and it will go sideways. So we're going to go back here, and then we're going to create clip. And then I'm just going to pick random areas. And then basically that's where it would play through.